50 sentences using the word about.
I'd like to talk to you about our upcoming project.
She's passionate about environmental conservation.
What do you know about the history of this city?
We need to make a decision about our vacation plans.
I'm excited about the concert tonight.
Let's have a discussion about the latest developments.
Tell me more about your hobbies.
I'm curious about your opinion on this matter.
They are enthusiastic about volunteering in the community.
We should be concerned about climate change.
I have a question about the assignment.
He's very knowledgeable about technology.
Tell me a story about your trip.
I'm thrilled about the opportunity to learn.
She's enthusiastic about her new job.
Let's have a conversation about your goals. I'm optimistic about the future.
What can you tell me about this book?
They are excited about the upcoming event.
We're worried about the safety of our neighborhood. I have a presentation about the solar system.
Tell me a joke about your dog.
I'm passionate about playing the guitar.
Let's chat about your favorite books. I'm serious about my commitment to this cause.
We need to think about our long-term goals.
She's very knowledgeable about art history.
I'm writing a report about renewable energy.
I'm thrilled about the progress we've made.
They are excited about their new home. We need to make a plan about our finances.
Tell me a story about your childhood.
I'm interested in learning more about your culture.
Let's have a meeting about the project.
I'm enthusiastic about the opportunity to travel.
She's passionate about helping others.
I'm thinking about starting a new business.
We should talk about our future together.
I'm concerned about the environment.
Tell me a secret about your best friend.
I'm confident about our chances of success.
We need to make a decision about our investments.
I'm eager to hear more about your experiences.
Let's have a discussion about the latest trends. I'm excited about the new restaurant in town.
She's dedicated to learning more about history.
I'm positive about our ability to overcome challenges.
We should think about our health and wellness. I'm passionate about photography. I'm passionate about photography.